Hello, teachers and students. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign in Microsoft Team. So there are two ways to sign in Microsoft Team. One is open the Google Chrome browser and type Microsoft Team. Then you will find a link chat meetings calling. You have to click on this. After that, click on switch to International English. Then I have to click on sign in. In this window, you have to type your username provided by your teacher. Then you have to press next. Over here, you have to input your password provided by your teacher. Then you have to click sign in. Afterward, the window is going to ask you to change your password. So over here, you have to input the password provided by your teacher. Then you have to create your own new password, which is of 8 characters, includes capital letters, small letters, numbers and symbols. After that, you have to click on sign in. The password has been updated successfully. You have to okay, if you want to remember your password, you can click on this. Don't show it again. Do this to reduce the number of times you are asked to sign in. So if you want to remember your password, you are going to click yes, either no. So I'm going to click yes over here. It will take some time to sign in your Microsoft Team. Okay, once it access your username and password, it shows you either you can access with this web app instead, or either you can get the Windows app. So once I'm going to use this web app, then I will show you how you can use it with the help of Windows app. Okay, now you have successfully signed in your Microsoft Team. Now second way is to use your Microsoft Team app, which I have already downloaded in my system. Click on that. Now you have to enter your same username over here. And then you have to press sign in. Now we have already changed the password, so now we are going to enter the same password which we have changed, and then click on sign in. Okay, now this is the interface of Microsoft Teams. You have to press next, 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 and let's go.